How to use the tracker in the color page.
It's 2 a.m. all alone, just sitting here waiting by the telephone. Cigarettes.
Today's video is sponsored by the biggest model factory in the world, Slovakia. Open your clip in the color page. Add the effect that you want. In my case, I will use the light rays. Keep the ray position to be from a location. Adjust the position and place it in the part of the image you want it to be. Increase the length slider, the brightness, and change the color to whatever you like. Now if you play back the clip, you will notice that the position of the effect just stays in the same part of the image, and it's not moving with the camera movement. To fix that, and make the effect to stick to the part of the image that you want, go to the tracker panel. Change the tracker mode to effect. Hit the bottom left button to add a tracker point. Place the tracker point in a high contrast part of the image. Just add some more points to make sure that it will work properly. Hit the track forward button, and let the demon do his work. The good thing with this technique is that the effect is not stick to the tracker point. You can move the position of the effect and place it wherever you want, and it will use the tracker data to keep the effect in that place. One last thing, let's say you want the effect to be only in one part of the image. Go to the mask panel, choose the freeform mask, draw around the part that you want to exclude, and hit the invert button. With the same way, I will bring another node, and add the light rays effect to the second window but with different color, just because I can. If you liked this clip, subscribe to this channel. If you didn't, I don't care, I will move to Slovakia.